Hello, welcome back to Ben's Basics. Today we're going to do home-cured cheek bacon. To do this, we're going to need some pork cheek. This is relatively cheap. We're also going to need some kosher salt, some brown sugar. Now we also need some spices. I'm going to use some roughly coarse cut black pepper. Several different seeds here. We got some mustard seeds. We got some fennel seeds. Let's see here. I think the cumin seeds here. Just any spices you want, really. You can even use pickling seasonings. So we have a very precise measurement here. Actually, not really. You can do like 8% salt, 10% brown sugar, and 10% everything else, or any measure of that. You really just need 8% salt. So we're just going to throw in all of our spices and seasonings in this salt. Use as much as you want. Salt and sugar are the two most important things, though. We're going to mix this really well. Alright, now we're going to place the pork cheek right in the salt in a container. We're going to cover completely on the bottom, top, and sides. There we go. Alright, just give it a good shake, make sure there's good, perfect coverage. Alright, and now we're going to put that in the fridge for 1 week. Alright, it's been 1 whole week, and now we're ready to eat some bacon. I like using pork cheeks for this because if you live in an apartment, doing a whole pork belly is going to be a lot. Pork cheeks are easier to do and easier to find and a lot cheaper. Alright, we're just going to have to brush all that curing seasoning off. There we go. You're going to have to throw that salt out. It's not going to be good for anything else now. It's soaked in pork juice. Alright, just throw that out. Alright, now I'm going to use my big old cleaver here, and we're going to slice very thin bacon slices, or I believe the Brits call it rashers for some reason. I don't know why rashers. And of course, because a pork cheek is shaped irregularly, you're going to get some weird sized slices, but that's okay. Those fry up even faster and get really crispy. Alright, just try to be as even as possible. Do some bacon sized slices. It gets easier the more you slice it. It becomes more of a square shape. There we go. Yeah, that's going to fry up real nicely. Alright, and we're going to do about, let's say 4 slices first. I could use my meat slicer for this, but... Alright, we're going to get a skillet on, let's say medium-high heat, and we're going to just throw the bacon pieces in there. You don't have to add any butter or fat because these are so fatty they're going to basically fry themselves. Yeah, let's get some room in there. Alright. Alright, just want to keep an eye on that. It's going to sizzle and scream, and flip it often. I flipped this about 4 times. There we go. That's what you want it to look like, nice and crispy. At least that's how I like my bacon. Fry it to how you like it, but this is how I like my bacon. There we go. Yep. The irregularly cut pieces fry up a lot faster. I promise you, this is going to be the best bacon you ever tasted. Alright. And there you have it. Cheek bacon. A very easy way to get started on curing your own homemade meats. Yep, that tastes amazing. Great for bacon and eggs. Like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more.